Looking for a smart AI voice recorder that captures every important conversation with ease? Meet the PLAUD Note AI, combining high-quality recording, AI-powered transcription, automatic summaries, and a sleek, portable design to keep your notes organized effortlessly. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the PLAUD Note AI, black case, magnetic cable, magnetic ring, USB-A to USB-C adapter, user manual. Product overview. How to pair. Download and install the PLAUD app from the App Store or Google Play Store, create a PLAUD account or sign in to an existing one, then grant the required permissions such as Bluetooth, microphone, and notifications for the best experience. Turn on the PLAUD Note by pressing and holding the power button until the indicator light appears. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, open the PLAUD app, tap Add Device, select PLAUD Note, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. After pairing, customize your recording preferences, select your preferred transcription language, and adjust AI summary settings. You can also organize recordings into folders, manage cloud sync, and update the device firmware through the PLAUD app for the latest features and improvements. How to use. Generate transcripts and summaries. Manage files. Share and export files. Manage multiple files. How to charge. Connect the charging cable to the PLAUD Note and plug the other end into a compatible 5-volt USB power source. The LED indicator shows the charging status. A full charge takes about 2 hours, providing up to 30 hours of continuous recording and up to 60 days of standby time. Indicator lights. How to use. Forget password. Change password. Smart features. Advanced AI converts your voice recordings into accurate, editable text within minutes. It supports multiple languages, making it ideal for meetings, lectures, interviews, and everyday note-taking. Automatically creates concise summaries, highlights key points, and extracts action items from your recordings. This helps you review important information quickly without listening to the entire recording again. Perfect for boosting productivity and keeping meetings, lectures, and interviews well organized. Record face-to-face conversations with the built-in microphone or capture phone calls using the dedicated call recording mode. It's designed to handle both personal and professional conversations with ease. Featuring a slim, lightweight body with a magnetic attachment, the PLAUD Note AI easily fits in your pocket or attaches to your phone, making it convenient to carry and use wherever you go. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.